Alright, we're recording the sewer line at 9/7/13/41st, Mercer Island. Date is February 18th, 2021. Recording this from the clean out installed at the cast iron to what's now plastic transition out just outside the house to the left of the front door here. So coming back from the city main, there's the city main. Coming back, you come immediately into our 6-inch diameter new flow cure in place pipe liner. There was a section of mortared pipe down here we lined over. That's now just a kind of a lump in the liner, but it looks good, nice and smooth the rest of the way through here. 6-inch diameter. Again, coming back into the PVC repair we installed. So this is SDR35 PVC we've installed here. 6-inch coming back now into 4-inch diameter. So there's 6-inch. This is 4-inch diameter coming back now into our new flow 4-inch cure in place pipe liner. Comes back a few feet and is gapped for the laundry room tie-in. There's a laundry room tie-in underneath the driveway. You see on the right side of the screen there is the gap for that branch arm to remain functioning. Coming back through 4-inch diameter liners again now. And we come to another gap. Or no, this is not a gap. Excuse me. We come back into a PVC repair again. This is where the project started. We did a repair out under the driveway where a section of pipe had broken. So there's the PVC repair in the driveway. Back into 4-inch liner again. That 4-inch liner has another gap here now. So the gap for the kitchen line tie-in. So this is in the front yard, a couple feet deep. There's a branch arm tie-in for the kitchen line. We come back into 4-inch liner again. 4-inch diameter, cure in place pipe liner. Coming back now into our repair up near the house where this clean out I'm accessing is. There is the clean out access I'm making this recording from in the brick pavers. And the recording there.